Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the setup of the categories within the stock module. In this video, we will start on a stock manager screen. Click on a stock setup drop-down menu on the menu bar for additional options. Click on the categories option from the list. The categories screen will open. We will now take a look at the various fields and options within the categories screen. Click on the actions drop-down menu on the menu bar for additional options. You are able to print the category list by clicking on the print button. The print screen will open where you will have multiple options to either print or email the category list. Click on a close button to return to the previous screen. You are able to download the categories list into a text file by clicking on the export grid button. The save as screen will open where you can save the file to a desired location. You are able to utilize the description field to search for a specific category. Click on a description field to search for the relevant category. Click on a plus button to add a category. The stock category input screen will open. From here, you are able to add a category by completing the fields displayed, which we will now go through. Code refers to the 4-character code the category will be filtered by. Click on a code field and enter the relevant code name. Afrikaans name refers to the name of the category in Afrikaans. Click on an Afrikaans name field and enter the relevant information. English name refers to the name of the category in English. Click on the English name field and enter the relevant information. Stock account refers to the ledger the stock account will be linked to. Click on the ellipse button and select the relevant ledger from the list. Lastly, click on the desired warehouse the category will be listed under. Please note that it is crucial to always link the newly created category to a warehouse to avoid later stock complications and errors. Click on the cancel button to exit the screen without saving. Click on the OK button to save the information and return to the previous screen. The newly created category will now be displayed on the category screen list. Within the category screen list, the categories will be displayed in 3 columns, namely Code, Afrikaans, and English. Click on the cancel button to exit the screen without saving. Click on the OK button to save the information and return to the previous screen.